how to remove noise from your audio on Filmora. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to remove noise on your audio in the Filmora software. So first thing we do is we go to Filmora. As you can see, this is my audio that I want to remove noise in. So first thing you do is you right click on your mouse and choose the adjust audio option right here, and now you will have the noise option. You should enable it and then make it mid or strong as you want, and after that click OK. And that's it for today's video, guys. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.